Zero Edge T3 dash camera unboxing. T3 dash camera main features: Full HD 1920 by 1080p recording, 3-inch TFT LCD color touchscreen, up to 150-degree wide-angle lens, built-in G-sensor, GPS tracking, parking mode, and audio recording. This is the dash camera. You can see the front lens here, the side, the back, and then the top where you connect the USB lead and the suction mount. USB power cable, plastic tool for allowing you to tuck the cable under the car headliner or behind the car panels when installing. Shorter USB cable for connecting the camera to the computer for transferring video and picture files without taking the micro SD card out. Suction cup mount. This has got a built-in GPS on it. Car cigarette charger. This has got 2 USB ports on it. Adhesive clips. The 6 adhesive clips come with the package to make for a tidier installation and help hide the wire and hold the wire out of the way. Thank you card. The T3 user manual. T3 dash camera assembly. Locate the slot on the top of the dash camera. Line up the suction cup mount to the slot. Insert the mount and slide until it clicks into place. The suction cup mount can be adjusted by unscrewing the thumb screw to allow you to tilt the suction cup backwards and forward, or by rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise to move the camera around on it. Take the micro USB wire on the suction cup mount and plug it into the dash camera. Take the long USB power lead, connect this into the micro USB port on the top of the GPS suction cup mount. The other end of the USB power lead can connect to the car charger, and then to power, insert the car charger into your vehicle's auxiliary power port or cigarette lighter port. Remember to remove the protective film on the front lens of the dash camera and also from the screen after installing. T3 dash camera setup and initialization. Before turning on the dash camera, it's advisable to insert the micro SD card. Make sure the micro SD card has the pins on it facing the rear of the camera. On the side of the dash camera, you'll see a slot for entering the SD card. Line up the SD card, push into place with your thumb or finger until it clicks into place. Once the micro SD card is inserted, connect the power supply to the car ignition and the dash camera will automatically power on. When powering on for the first time, the dash camera will request you to initialize it. Press the OK key, then select which language you would like to use. After setting the language, use the touchscreen to set the date and time. For time, use the up and down arrows. Click on the day, month, year, hour, minute to adjust each one individually. Then when complete, click OK. The dash camera will automatically start recording once initialized and powered on. This is indicated by the red dot and timer in the top left-hand corner of the screen. To open the menu, press anywhere on the screen. Click the icon on the left center of the screen to access the quick settings. These default settings let you change between drive mode, scenic mode and park mode, and also enable or disable the wide dynamic range function. Each of the different quick settings is indicated at the top of the screen with a different symbol. To turn off the screen, you can press the sleep button, which looks like a half moon on the bottom right hand side of the screen. To turn the screen back on again, press anywhere on the screen. The audio recording, press the microphone icon. To protect the current video clip, press the padlock icon in the bottom left of the screen. A padlock symbol will appear on the top of the screen. Also, a countdown timer on the right hand side of the screen. To enter the main settings menu, click the icon in the bottom center of the screen. The general settings menu will then appear. You can change the resolution, change the loop recording intervals, view the photos, view and playback videos. When viewing the videos, you can choose to view the normal recorded videos or the protected videos. Press the back arrow to return to the general settings menu, or press the circular dot at the bottom of the screen to exit the menu. Press the setup gear icon to see the main settings. Here you can adjust all the settings: power off, parking, driver ID, timestamp. Press the arrow key at the bottom of the screen to go to the next page of settings. You can turn the key tone on or off, adjust the white balance, format the micro SD card. Please note that if you format the micro SD card, all data on that memory card will be erased. You can adjust the collision detection sensitivity from high, medium, low, or turn it off completely. You can turn the logo stamp on or off. You can turn the audio on or off. Adjust the speed limit warning. Adjust the LCD auto off, the motion detection, change the screen theme, or set everything back to default. On the last menu screen, you can check the version of the software.